Hi mga kinapoy! There's so much I would love to tell you about experiences in life, but maybe not for now. So ngayon, this is just a few videos that I would love to share. Ito na nga, papunta nga pala kami ng Batangas. Stop over muna ng Very Light kasi sobrang bigat ng Tessie ko and I need mag-rest ng Honda Beat. Machi-machi talaga kami ng Bessie ko sa mga tranquil vibes like this. A place like this with a serene view of trees and natural beauty all around. So it's kind of perfect spot to relax and reconnect with nature. I apologize mga kinapoy. Nakalimutan ko palang sabihin na fiesta ang pupuntahan namin. Thanks to Family Gregorio, so every year coming invited here and all are free. From Nomage to La Puch.
Kailangan lang pala si Marilyn pumuntahan namin.
So ito na nga ang inaantay ng lahat. Ang karaoke and knowledge session. So, we're trying to beat her sa singing pero ang hirap-hirap talaga. Makapoy talaga. That's my loading. So that's only her intro. How do you find her singing? Nakakainis, right?